Hello and welcome to the Advanced McLaren Industrial Factory. My name is Starr Williams, and today we're taking you behind the scenes to show you how.
The laser alignment seems off by 2 millimeters on the starboard side. We need absolute precision for the chassis bonding.
The tolerances here are critical. Ensure the readout matches the specification.
Confirmed. The layering looks correct.
The scene must show the artisans applying resin manually on the fiber of the future McLaren 720S. Carefully
Temperature stabilizing at 120 degrees Celsius.
Confirmed. Cycle initiated.
My name is Sarah Mitchell, and I work in the Structural Assembly Department here inside the Advanced McLaren Industrial Factory. Check the gap on the trailing edge.
It's within tolerance, 0.2 millimeters.
Set for 25 on the main strut.
Holding steady, green light on the readout.
Ready for the torque wrench sequence, setting 100 Newton meters.
Confirmed. Gaps look perfect on this side.
Greece. My name is Daniel Carter, and I work on the heart of the McLaren 20S. Its twin-turbo V8 engine.
All bolts secured to spec.
Confirmed. The active damping response looks good on the telemetry.
This is where the intelligence of the 720S comes to life.
Hi, I'm Emily Roberts, and I'm part of the interior craftsmanship team here inside the advanced McLaren industrial factory.
Final shake test complete. Secure, secure. Nice work.
Torque set on the final bolt.
Interface reports full stabilization. Systems check complete.
The stitching consistency is excellent. We are clear for the next stage on this unit.
Confirmed. I'll finalize the report now.
Just there, see the gap?
Yes, let's adjust the center console piece slightly.
Wheels. The McLaren 720S can now stand, but not yet leave.
Torque on the left strut is complete.
Reading confirmed on the tablet. Aerodynamics are within spec.
All systems are showing green on the telemetry readout.
Confirmed. The engine bay diagnostics cleared without issue.
All systems are nominal here. The live data feed is perfectly stable.
Ignition sequence start.
Listen to that roar. Perfect.
Okay, initiating the high-speed sequence.
Brake application looks good. Check the temperature differential on axle 2.
Look at the thermal gradient here. It's within tolerance.
It's within tolerance. Good run. Brake is precisely within tolerance after the adjustment.
Calibration complete. Ready for track testing.
My name is Michael Lewis, and I work in the paint and finishing department here in the advanced McLaren Industrial Factory. The McLaren 720S doesn't just have to perform. My name is Jonathan Miller, and I'm part of the final testing and certification team here inside the advanced McLaren Industrial Factory.
Check the torque settings on the rear axle now.
All green, within tolerance.
Absolutely stunning work, team.
This represents the pinnacle of our engineering. The 720S is a testament to the dedication in this room.
This is the culmination of years of work. The fit and finish are exceptional.
Absolutely stunning. A true testament to the team's dedication.